Hi everyone, we're so excited to announce our new school analytics dashboard. In this quick tutorial, I'll be going over some of the new engagement statistics that you'll have at your fingertips in the Teacher Engagement tab of your redesigned analytics dashboard. As always, when you first log in, you'll be brought to your messages inbox. And to access the analytics dashboard, you'll click on the same analytics button as before. You'll first be redirected to the General tab, which I've gone over in a previous video. To see your Teacher Engagement tab, you'll simply click on the next tab here. The Teacher Engagement tab will feature a teacher leaderboard, which we're super excited about. This leaderboard will help you identify the number of the teachers that have been sending the highest number of messages in your school and announcements. In this case, Wilton Blick has sent the highest number of messages and announcements in my school. I can also filter these views by different date ranges, like today, yesterday, the last 7 days, 30 days, month, etc. And as before, this little 3-line icon will always indicate downloadability. You can download these images into image formats or Excel formats for the raw data and numbers. Below that, you'll also have a different breakdown which shows you alphabetically by first name the number of messages and announcements that have been sent out by each teacher. This will give you a quick snapshot into the number of messages that all of your teachers have sent in your school. And again, you can download these into different formats, including images and Excel files. These will really help you identify which of the teachers are your leaders in your school and which ones have really taken off using talking points and have been making family engagement a priority in their days. And it'll also help you identify maybe Concepcion Hain hasn't been taking off as much and might need a little guidance and encouragement of sending messages out to her families. Maybe Zeta needs some as well. And there you have it. That's how to use your Teacher Engagement tab in our redesigned School Analytics dashboard. We really hope that this new dashboard will make your family engagement a breeze and help you identify your teacher leaders in your school. Check out our other videos to see what you can do and see with your family engagement and general tabs.